gu so na man de yes yensra won oil na won fantua na mon nante monten so
yema omo ho enye no
se kana na mama brown say de hwie oil
agu no ho
na de aboare na oil gu no ho Genevieve Naji
na pokua ne gina so
na omo nam ho
me crack kan for rade
wo busa won say denti na mo yesa de na o se de esese konni patribo say when you steal you go naked.
Oh, when you steal
you go naked.
Interesting.
And yet the satanic temple for doctrine I made you know was say they are bringing new rules, sir. It would allow any oba or person warim you so warim you enti
ombema ho kwan
anka ya
oba bia person warim you
a titi your member ya say ya man kwan say ya titi wari tu.
Oh, okay.
Bawo first.
Aye.
No me. Ka be ma ba ko nko. Mienu. Obi aye ho ade. But the man money there because of the caveat. I for politicians who in that church. The leader of the church say we worry 49.
49.
Or you broni call.
49.
Wa worry ma 49 or ye broni fita ko post modernity.
Interesting.
Wo busa say adentina esese oba ware mienu a ose akwada na so ode no ye tia ne mprenu ye ntia ne baako
akwada na so ode
no ye tia no mprenu ti so ba ye medi a ye pe benchinie ne wura na ham afi what you say a post modernity the satanic temple the etwama wo kura na say omo wo bibia eno nso abeka wo aso no ye fa no futufra sa na me de be kotwim eti wo yere ne me yere pa kwesi ge me ge wo ge say ye kwa asore dem ho a ye wo kwesi ada ba ko a wo ye communion no eni kwa so bia shatade you chop what you want to chop.
The devil is a liar. Like what a baby target.
Hey! Post modernity. Entino a man kwa osa sa so no mre sha ase be 78 ho no ebi bagana ha na ye from say omo dibia na ye from omo sha dross nkwa so omo sha hwe no e koso gidigidi e o Mexico.
I see.
Te wo kwa wo de wo yere na beko ba ye di awurade dididi wi a
obi atimi dibi
one quotation say Bible say munya na kwa
ntimo ye dey
ntimo so momfa makwa
ko munya na kwa munya dey
momfa makwa
ntimi
ka wo jebi wote we
me fa ne nkoda me mo damda
Akoma
but what do they ba
na saka me so me te we eti me hwe wanim na wo gua na hem na wo so wo hwe manim na me so me gua na hem
huni na mini na huni hey
what say when you are done oba ni ntimi nko kankyere ni kunu ne se asemasi we na ne me da na wasoro dem ha asemasi we na ne me da wasoro dem ha asemasi we na ne me da wasoro dem ha se de be ya me mehu me deficit
okay
se emema 3
okay
ena ne me yire ne da ye
yeah
na me gua 2 pa deficit mi ansa na wo ho no ese next week no odi she post modernity
na debio me okay no pa na ye na to for you tutu ana o ye nde
Wobusa won say eno so nkyerase ne say o say ade a dodo de odo apɛ no ba akofo mfa.
Interesting. Ade a
dodo de odo apɛ no ba akofo emfa.
Oh. Wow.
A dumb doctrine.
But it makes sense.
Nyansa kakra woni pani so ewum. Now, when you read about postmodernity and the Satanic Temple, when you read that document, say nyame anka ho na wanya nipadwen a. JB. Ade a obey wo wiase mu no. Enya papa. Say no, womone LGBT for na kase ni. And the wo sin sorry dan titru e wa Africa. When we say Meme can be, as so for me can be say, yam pene da.
Yeah.
They in fact gave for Sikensi National Cathedral.
Sure.
Nancrophone Tiasie, Satanic Temple. About the sign group be a America would NE, Nedi Akabi Tuaso. Ah, one of them say, or maybe West Africa, how we see a sort than to Wokosibi. Now, some of their members, you know, are part of the Satanic Temple.
Some of their members
Are part of the Satanic Temple. Now we'll see in Sorodine across Africa. JB Bible na kase and nani query ya. Nimdie bebre beba.
Sure.
Bible na fabin so say. Yama wo nyina ne mbom nyini.
The trabre
Trabre ni dura. JB, enya ade bia na yebetimi atwe ntwabre.
That is true. And then okay.
Meme tiwe. Enya bibia na metwe ntwabre. Mini sa da age no. Mini sa da age a. Bibia ebesi around me no metwe ntwabre menye. First no nanka metwe. Ba se semre ya mete yi kosi da me nima mewo se mewo anadwo se kira no pa wo. Mintimi ntwen. Sa twabere no. Cause ade bi wo ho a you must deal with it instantly.
Yeah.
You don't have to delay.
That be.
Hwe sanka asrafo na ekum Yesu no twentwen so na wanku na nka kwaje ni wiase.
Yeah, no correct.
Ntebe why have me woman last born 25th child now me dey beto Judas Iscariot.
Judas
Iscariot. Why are they? Cause Adam no so na Yesu bae. Ade no obi adwane no. Say Adam no so na Yesu wu ye. Okay.
Oh, you know what's the Sunday deal? Tata no wuko.
So you know what's na
Akoma FM
87.9.
Akoma FM 87.9.
There was Satanic Temple members in politics. Our Africa.
Yeah.
And these guys, you know, one year one adwin say, "What person will you be papa biya, eme bibi mai." And adria menewo. Any afia ye CNN. Any who say Nigeria gas any cash cash ye there
Sika
shorty
Nigeria.
our Nigeria ahead of general elections.
Yeah.
JB then I short
Cash
Sika a shorty
Nigeria.
our Nigeria
Ahead of the
general elections. The biggest crude oil endowed nation in the whole of Africa. Cash. Asaho. And so oil, you find a black gold. Cash in Nigeria. Omaya about 40 years ago. Now almost supply which area see now mutena. Me and San na Nigeria supply among Katia Grand North. Katia. And then Nigeria for young Katia.
And then you want.
Okay. Fast forward. 1980. ɛna Nigeria mpanyinfoɔ yɛ wɔn adwene sɛ ɔbɛtena hɔ din ma nkwadaa nketenkete bi adaadaa wɔn ɛna wɔsoma small boys from Oxford University ɛne their so-called John of Fancy America for no university bi wɔ hɔ John Hopkins sanam kano John Hopkins University ɛne ne nkaafo kotugu Nigeria. Depreciate your currency.
Akoma
Then
FM 87.9.
Some depreciable currency now. Wofa dollar baako pɛ. Na wo kɔ sesa. Benya wo kom sika bebree. JB. Alata fom penifo ehunu nyansa anwene ho say. It was a strategy of dealing with them and killing their future. Before ye nyansa so te. Na a drew time as I say a pamon kwakrafo mamu.
I agree with you.
And Nigeria fought say from 1980. I'm starting for 79 now Rollins year kuno. 1980, 81, 82. Nigeria fought depreciating our currency now to zero. And what our industries now started say a
collapse.
Companies started say a collapse. You see? Me catch Nigeria High Commissioner no corner we have and say anytime Nigeria imports a shipload of rice, you have imported a shipload of unemployment.
Interesting.
Papa no hwe benim din ohwe me saa and obi sam say me PhD wa hen. And I'm sere me say tabia African country bia no be import be free or mindful for bia so dia ba no we import unemployment. Why is Nigeria importing rice? Why is Nigeria importing maize? Why is Nigeria importing wheat? Then I'm a person me ndru Ghana. 1983. There are only 2 countries in Africa. Take the northern countries out of the equation.
Okay.
Only 2 countries in Africa. So when we need these 2 countries, you have won Africa.
Only 2 countries.
Only
in
2
Africa.
countries. The whole be mine now.
Yeah, the northern part of Africa.
For me, North Africa, South Africa, East Africa, West Africa. Now we come more. Am I 2 pet and a woman? If you are able to win, sa mine me a dua. I dear be our Africa biano ubenya.
Interesting.
What do you say, my name? You know,
Nigeria
and Ghana. These are the only 2 countries that what Africa ha. One winning Ghana and one winning Nigeria. Pair where we. Eti what no? One I call a hono. If John Hopkins, ne Oxford University no. Area you know. There is another university in America. No so super. Oh, a wooding. Oh, I'm Oxford. I'm back. Oh,
sir.
Oh.
Harvard. Okay.
Oh, Oberman can bow as Anna and Crawford free Harvard. Yes, as I when my come out online baby before publish it. Me say 83. A just a shishi, it was an international plot against Ghana.
International plot.
Oh yes, it was planned in America.
Okay. So I'm also tempted to believe the earthquake in the sea was artificially created. And also possible.
I know the meaning.
Possible.
Eti. We hear na we buy no me who say no. One say yana na no 83 ho no. Na Ghana for nhye da nim aduane ye friend fried rice o.
Dabi.
Na ye nim konkomu aduane. Nigeria de na ade esese omo ye ina so omo be break omo economy no. By pushing them to devalue their currency. Fast forward to collapse their industries so that Nigeria cannot grow at the rate and not a grow no economy not break it down.
Yeah.
We hear this as a so about Ghana. When him strategy we use against Ghana. Almost a taste.
You taste for food, you taste for women, you taste for what?
So we leader I said, what you know, 75,000 times faster than the people you are ruling.
Leader Biana say,
We are president, be a nipe be a willy team be a.
Say Hankan.
Baby,
Sir.
As I said, what we are candy for the what you know, it costs 75,000 times faster than the people you are leading. If you're not able to do that, forget about leadership. Enti, abrofo who said no, womu lead ye. Eti esese one drain contempt chen. That time na yensu ye mpanifo na nes, womu lead ye na esese o madwene ye adwuma no. Womu adwene na ye adwuma. Na womu adwene retrogress 75,000 times going back.
Minus.
It is a way a leader. Ese what drain contempt him. And no jay could for be catch that was say. Yen was school. Eh? Grab us and took a tokono 2 for say to be catch that say. O fan wa hana fa, so mo ha be wo. What is happen as it?
Debbie.
What fan wa ha?
Now
so fan ni fa hana fa. Wo so mo ha e be wo. What I say? Every hamedunum from abefa ho kakra na ba bia wo wenya ba bia so.
Oh.
What I say?
E wo betene.
No. I didn't say what ya. E betene.
Interesting.
Enti what na sit din of say no, we need to change the taste of the Ghanaian. Then yenye. Okay, ya she wo mo kwa yen na awie. Enti yen fa wo maburo fufuo na wo mudi no. Nema mu yellow corn.
Near introducing a new taste, variety, and famraga.
But let's not forget that they were all induced with certain chemicals.
Oh.
Well, sir, we are music. You'll be a friend subliminal sound. What be tear be na sound to be dead and no one a yo do be tear and you say and you want baby and you say I had said this one boom. One and a subliminal. A dacia ho baby, a show baby, you have no idea. Because some of them say to me, Bama we do one no man.
Yeah.
A increasing hormone.
Sure.
More condo son your babeda.
Sure.
You'll be also a basso no man. No sooner condo son the bema beda. Say a drew. It's the Freddy be man or better than Abihu. What if say you were dry to be the mamma refuge?
Oh.
And you don't know, beside doctors, no?
We remember me a few home.
Beside America for the Russia for the radiation, yeah. In Russia, you see radiation. Them American soldiers, they seal. American seal.
What do you insist?
Oh, I'm not that talk. What do you insist so?
And I maybe the mark quite my menu.
What do you insist so? That is why American president to be me body in pay who Africa president American to be body D or catch Africa president to be say. So when you cross up meetings akese no na ye sell say ye kodidia aya dimi machi aduane na mefa no bi defa but the si one so so chen na other president na efa no wodi bi pe wapira
Akoma
eti e ma ye rem fi se e wo bible ni mu se abrante bi ho a ode aduane e ton ne pani.
Of course.
So we a leader, we a candifo. You must know the power of food. You must know the power of taste. When you know these two things, you can lead your people from a no milk land to a milky forest.
The power of food and the power of taste.
We a leader. Don't forget these two things.
Interesting.
Waba ye pepepe. And wamudi sausage. Beje yakao. Ghana from Kodado do send the workroom says, I want to man can man obedi. Obedi sausage. Sausage, you know, a prakwa wapro.
Yeah.
What you know, my man sausage. Yet a time na. Yes, Susano, ya mamma, ya midwives, no. Na say ya wakwada. Yes, yeah, hatanam.
And Sasawa.
Sasawa.
Yeah.
Me yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Me kaipa, me dibida.
Mo. Na ya de niama na fra.
O ye nu hu kra yet me dibi. Oh.
Ye de gumu ma akwada na. Na drain to me ye adwuma odwe ye.
Retentive memory.
Ye hu de ye say nan one. lactogen
Nam
2 ebede na ombu yan fa so no sister no see some of these things when I look at me I was when me na me
yes
bibi anya Ghana aduane wo ya me dai me kwado smart me ni
no but is it different from me say but you see ACC PW boat as mo kokae 1985
oh South Africa
yes South Africa then ACC super pep almost the same thing
eti wo wie no wotena sidi no so no padisi aw say omo hasa omo pe nchachira dodo ebro no yakwa apam second school your friend rocks
rocks
yeah the milk agu
the milk agu
what you no fear say no mama Pringles
oh
when in Pringles when are there I say you come banku ofi ase na yare no am na there
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
what you ye the fear say no dey one dey replace here what sha dey no mo say Usain Bolt one more fan from Jamaica
yeah
Ekwa John Hopkins University na nkasa. Esa de ko Japan. Se wo kwa akohwe ne mogam ne ntinim. E ban se na akwa ne timi dwane saa no. Wo wie ye no wo fa America fo mrante na etumrika no so se no wo pese wo hu ade kono poten. Wo hwe wo mumu na de wo Usain Bolt mu no na ye different. The when him secret e wom. Say the continuous eating of yam. Ubetumi agogel ubenya
the continuous eating
of yam.
Bayire ne here say
bayire when him say ye potato na and ye di no e ho ye fita
aye
ye fa ne santom ena na ye wo koko ye obako bi ne fe koko ena koko wo hen
ye obako bi koko ne wo fuga wo ho
wo mo ba se wo mo betwa achampon agu no ena wo mo de chemical kan ho say ye mfa spray achampon no not knowing say SARS chemical na ye spray ye achampon ye twa achampon no gu no na ekum yen ye potato no so they can replace it and it was succeeding ye society taste wo wie aduane food and afa wo besa be society taste of living
our taste of living
that's right enti ye nyina yete hoyi
yeah
se bibia frigana ni bia ho ba enye papa aje fibroni ho ba
exactly
meba
true
okay and na me no call pharmacy shop one question am bisa ba ya no timi ya no efidie bia ni ho
was oni hwe otimi kra nye
exactly etitete no na saka oba himfia oba manhia history books a kire yen ha ya wa Akomu hene or interior minister anamwa
yes
okay ya wo country hene or defense minister ya wo sana hene or finance minister ya wo we or you say ya wo we or you say ya wo we or you say that what na se yetimi di asem sa mbre no na kro no ni wiase ya kan ya kase o ani bie na aba ya doso ntira ya doso bo mo de na ko axim na ko bokro no
eyi kra tepakra timi mo kro no
tepakra de na bokro no so wepra
o be bia bokro no atepa
and now we started to brainwash your leaders no that is why the first ever African US summiter Kwame Nkrumah Kobi no oba ye wan kobium kwa na ya dodo ese o convoy de yesi wo kwa ese wo depreciate your currency
okay
and it was sisa your taste of living ese we sit down it this way modern architecture na ye ni say it is said ye see adan ni nyina no asesa na ye sesa air condition bom bebrebe ye wi ye say ye kromfo ntanya kromfo bi ahui ye taste na asesa
say obi so be ka se nimde na ekona
there be nimde na
technology aba
there be technology ne ba technology ni kwan say sesa wo culture
yeah but
what mean ko Switzerland now can chop so mu do on system acha mo show mo skirt because technology aba we bet me ko Japan ana China na wa ko catch so technology aba nti me mfa nnua ndidi biom
anyway
okay ko catch America Joe Biden say the boy reckon technology about the winning and to only suit to go na your front ma what did I mention that?
Yes.
So they succeeded our test of living and even the way we dress. It's what the share you say one share suit I won your crutchity. It's a who won pa na judge te court room. Esi ni ho. Fan ni ho. Akonya ne nya papa. That what judge to. No shatter the tuntum. No asesa we get kukuntai no so. As about the asembosum.
As a supete.
As about the asembosum. And so tetere ye di asem wa himfia. Ohene ni fra ne ntema keke. To wadi no buya na asem.
Oh, say ne ne na.
When him say sama hodo a high court.
Yeah.
Want me ndi. Ekwa appeals court. Ent me ndi. Ekwa supreme court ent me ndi. Esa na chiba bench.
Oh yeah, quite simple cry.
Odun for shawe.
That be.
Yan fan nto. When we are no was sign our level of appreciation of civilization. And what are the corruption by and I'm about the Tajan assembly so. None percent of food dimachi.
Interesting.
Was the your level of appreciation of civilization bad? And on my tears, yes, be a move be a nye papa. I did the what TV so free yen whatever, na ye papa.
I didn't free ye ho,
bebano, and ye papa. Oh, sure.
Near Africa be a near Ghana be a nye papa.
Apostle Kojosa for Nyaka.
Oyaka.
Never address for Otibim.
Or Fubi.
Oh, Fubi.
Sir.
The man was address for Trini Papa did the convoy him.
The last time we were TikTok.
Instead of sir. Etika. Sade papa de ya papa. Aka by now, se Ghana ban. Enye na Apostle Kojosa for be cars okrum ha.
Sure, start ya chepa.
Etika e free kotopipi be sid no. Se ye gidie bibinia ye di pa ya. Anka. By now ka anye kura no wo de every year bia no Kojosa for yam man sika no nya 100 pe.
So say the car na kasa dodo. E ko na chi na kasa sa.
Ba refi se mre bi na cars ba krum ha. Wo change reverse na kasa.
But the whole modern Ghana now Apostle Kojosa for kwa car say menko free ba chi na.
Na sanka o kana brofo de anka pe.
Oh, there be nya brofo asem. Na here say kasa dodo.
There be say car de kasa.
Only kasa.
Because nya ni pa nyina na car na ba na chi ot because car na sound of. Till today me wo car wo change reverse kasa. E ka brofo.
Sorry for me, and insurance. Sorry for me.
No boy.
Captain, I wait here.
So, maybe new. There be sanka free China na buy ya.
There be China.
And Kabajatum.
Mesos also. China Mesos also.
Well, maybe new. These guys succeeded exchanging our level of appreciation of civilization. No more replacing here with one more there. Eti. Bibia na efiri broni ho ba bibia efiri abrochire ba bia no wo pa bisa Ghana fa wa abrochire they will tell you so ya hade na ye papa ba ye so ambaje bibiduro ko
oh bebre last week we be man here
eti anytime I will be allow your level of appreciation of something to be taken away whatever will be replaced is corruptible say bibio anytime you allow your level of appreciation of anything to be taken away, whatever is being replaced with is corruptible.
Interesting.
To of Gia no we ye pepepe no mo de corruption be shame mu ma yen.
Say ade we me phone we nye papa. Gina fa iPad de mame. Nti what the iPad de mame na introduce na say
na eko na eba. Nti afei ye ni ba ye ho kakra hu say no. Ade na nkrofo no ye no bone but America we sika first no we sika just about 50 years ago we sika America na ekum yes sound so akomfo Guantanamo Bay yensi ama hoho wo mu see my Americans rednecks and wo mu di nkwasem we sika say aban japade ene nne wo kɔ Vietnam na wo wi aban sika ye twauti kwhye wo kɔ China wo wi sika se yesen anamwa okay. So when you bedru Africa happy, no more should I introduce you. Bibi I'm a friend of carpet rule of law, any human right.
Carpet rule of law.
human rights human left no way and you jay no to ho na fe krono no
let's start to say
JB krono no shas yes e kosro now they succeeded changing certain names of certain acts.
Okay.
It is a obi was Central Market na ofo obi abro a or ye thief. What say me?
Yeah, me
too. Or ye thief.
Yeah.
Sir, obi ti abem no fa buying $1 million or ye corrupt. What I say?
There are two different things, but the same act.
The same act.
Interesting.
So when you allow people to change your level of appreciation, this is what happens to you. But kaneno, who come and share tititia, who for be a bro, we are cromfo, who could you be a cook, I walk on who you are my sika, we are cromfo.
Yes.
Punishment in ya cromfo punishment. But your TSM was a level of appreciation and our way of developing. Yes, sir, one day the baby mu pepepe. And what che mu my sa mo amoto abano. Sa wo wie bibia wo ye thief. Ye ya ye kwot sala ye kwot abano.
Wo ye kromfo.
Sa wo kofa obi ade a
wo ye thief.
Wo ye thief. Na mom de wo to abama no
e kofa obi bia.
So no fa obi bi dia or ye corrupt. Corruption as such and say drumidie ketasehye proye ene kankan aba.
Akoma 87.9 Kumasi.
Anti-corruption. Now, when you na adom na omo ka brofo na omo mbia omo num yeni na omo body corruption. You come and you the it is obiti akurase wo primary 2 or JSS 1 or DC primary ogomo attachment when take corruption o ka say ya the papa because di ne boy there. Corruption o ko huntin nyahwe but wo ka thief. Hwe the way o ko huntin ni sore ba. Thief. And a corruption no shasye, chrono no protect the public purse. A shasye, chrono no shasye. A do baby no, and a year tears, yes, there be yet to be my bemu chrono and cososa. Enti ye institute bribia, ye friend no audit service. Na audit service no, and share. Ghana ye sika sem eso emayen me tro bibi wa ha ma me mbona memra
okay, so quick before so bad mami appreciate you when I wenya that job share live on Facebook. Akoma 87.9 teacher Oliver say make a check up to say or ten voice and bibi ya no. Now the show is loud and clear tepa nyame ne hene and you do Abdul Rahman or say more for your senior captain smart or say Kwame that I don't know any other messages be and also so Babu to be the one about live Akoma 87.9 your Facebook page and the Unia TV Facebook page join the now follow the discussion now into me ending come and there are interesting issues now would say baby general captain they are starting free abana ye babe do so the audit report the auditor's general report on COVID-19 we are ya basampan ne kejetia so na ya babe do so nsem ni mu na yetimi asore so na nyame adomo channel pa ya sanso atoa so ewo ehado mo senti fra wonu abi no so emfre ne abi na ka che say we are airborne live ewo Akoma 87.9 enche me the test line any voice note number no betudwa na also watimi edo voice note ede aba na yetimi abo ne kama ede amount captain me yenko
history trese auditing shase or Ghana was 1910. Now the British colonial administration no ever auditors free the Treasury Office.
Okay.
Our London.
Okay.
Now we do on back Gold Coast colony him. Now we be sure we sika semuni and toto yene den sa. Fast forward.
113 years away from and
fast forward. And ye tu abangu ye ye tu abangu ye ye tu abangu ye ye tu abangu ye and nyame ye ya dom na 1992 constitution no ebaye into the office of the auditor general and the Ghana Audit Service were established by the 1992 Constitution of Ghana.
Okay.
So what I say?
Yes.
Say, the mayor say, audit service no. Monto mo boas na fei. Ndwuma na aban sika semuni ade ne. Mo hwehwem. Owie ye no, esansa ye corruption ti. Corruption aba na ye tententen. Thievery aba na ye tietietia.
Oh yeah.
Etu wie obi board ya ntam na ye de watum. Uwie aban sika ekwan na ye tententen.
Afi na ye nkoko hu wei. Yenkosi we so ye fanko we emra we say ye kwhye mra no ne ye kwhwe sa ne matentin
eti auditor akwa audit bibi awie ye fa nipa no ntumai ye say auditor no ombo kire mfankoma parliament speaker of parliament speaker so announce kire parliamentarians ne say auditor general the report we aba owia ombo kire Enfama Public Accounts Committee. Now once we mebo parliament the plenary na man say yensaka. And today to say you better na say. Emra ne say what na say we are. When we on bibia no. One bechire emfa nkoma attorney general. Attorney general so saka ade na Parliamentary Select Committee on Public Accounts. Ahwehwe ma wie no.
Yeah.
Ono so nsa so mpa badwafo ntena say. Na won frɛ wo no ma recommendation it just say prosecute womo na ye womo no womo nkasa so womo ye ya ampa what be that
na ke besi de na agro na ye de
na ye wie no a ansa womo nya pre-trial womo wie no ansa fe de ya ka cha say ya handle over ama posifo achew ana yoko achew ya de charge above. So where we are buying sika from the Auditor General's report. Senior, a free that 1992 Constitution be body. Obie ni wa Auditor General's report. You bet me catch me. Say I did not two more home say where we are gonna buying sika.
A free timer 1992 till date.
Obeda samwa be ya Attorney General.
Yeah.
When we found no aba antum. Nana do be ya Attorney General. When we found no aba antum.
Yeah.
Betty Mo, come do. Papa Usu Akoma. Obey Attorney General.
Yes.
When to be found on my bantum. Dabinya Matamidu, me can people wanna.
Okay.
Lawyer, are you quote to? Obey Attorney General.
Yeah.
When to be offended Papa Kokrantum, Auditor General supported him. Do you know what that means?
Tell me.
When I corrupt.
Oh.
Who fear no more? No what yes the NDC. Benjamin Kumbo, Obey Attorney General, when to be found on my baby antum, Auditor General's report. Who ye and what? Betty Moldy Drusu, Obey Attorney General, when to be found on my baby antum. Martin Amidu, Obey Attorney General, when to be on Fakukobantum, Ewo. Do you know what that means?
They are all corrupt.
They are all corrupt. Boy, you know you're corrupt.
Interesting.
Fast forward. Now what banana do aban? How can I Attorney General put can answer abante we bano? I don't know. So no. Media kai. On one another now Attorney General da. And odami on we. Odami we kra dami kra time there.
There was somebody before go for that.
Would men kai? Well forget it. And onya. Ono kra the time say do. Or say Auditor General report no kra no. Yen on publish it.
You're pulling it down.
You're deleting.
Are they a publisher? We now who some started say raise by.
My main fa won enko school kakra.
Okay.
Say no. First na Ghana and Central for ebia na ye ni adaje a ye de kan. Say no ye wa adaje a ye de sua. Jebi,
ye num binum.
Say
Akoma
what him say?
87.9.
COVID-19 audit no. Enya Auditor General na man who so boom no so koyo. He was being directed by the president to do it.
I am Russell Sheno.
A president. Our who kwan so cho se kohwehwe ade we mu mame.
Yeah. Yes, that's true.
Auditor General so mrana man kwan so betima so putupuru.
Aka se mba be audit.
Waka to se mba audit me hwe usika se bu because can you bind there e Ghana for there.
That's true.
Sir Auditor ye na adwen se oba ba audit wa. Ye bom mode ye di kan first stage. The client is informed of the upcoming statutory through an official letter of engagement.
Oh, so you're back to say you're back up to officer. You did catch rock crata.
The truck rata brow. Tikwekwa menu. Finance minister, agric minister, national security. Why no? You did catch brow official letter.
Interesting.
Sir, ye pacho, ye pese.
The club went there, she say you're back
by the tail.
It's Bobo home.
One baby a corruption is chassis. And Tiwu near maybe or him to Mrs. Sanyama.
A close to them maybe.
One more troll letter ne bro ria. SSA will respond.
In writing.
In writing, say, Yatiasie. Mumbrana mumba or the TA. Nye no one so measures you. One will be a friend of entrance meeting between the auditors and the clients.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Either a client, individual, and an institution.
Yeah.
You want from be my friend or entrance meeting.
In this case, to say be a ministry be the chief director and the minister in charge. No more share.
Now auditors naba.
Abba.
Yeah, catch us say JB. You per se meeting. Meeting na be yen say. You per se who say and no laptop no any apai.
Yeah.
You per se be share. Then the see you per se who say abama osika say sefa koye say. Nti niam ye be hwehwe mu nyina no. Entrance meeting ni mu no will stipulate all that. Nti one kasa ye be audit no. We are aware of areas ye be audit.
Oh.
And what you know, say first meeting and see auditor general to me audit.
Some meeting no and see
I want to be audit. SSA was saying share biom entrance meeting part 2 up to part 3. Nanti say you just say afedie ya ye number 1, ya ye number 2, ya ye number 3. Answer audit service actual letter san bro biom say date we no ye ba na ya ba audit. Wo wie anu a you'll be a friend of written audit observations supported with relevant evidences.
That's all the documents.
The two in they observe. So we observed that. We observed that. We found out that. So. Nti ye hu say wo. Ye nkrata na e ba na ye behwem no. Ye hu say wo de sika we ato atadwe. Wo de we ato nkate. Wo de we ato aburu. Wo de we ato nsuo. Wo de we aye say. Evidence
atadwe de no the receipt buy. So de no afa receipt ama.
Nti your observation ye je.
Oh, okay.
Na wa yi ano say ye no kure. Ansa na ya publish ye nru
oh.
Ye ndu publishing. Obi nkantre Godfrey Dami say oye lawyer. Onjai de oye no. E nim guasema na na do aban. Somebody should talk to him. He's a lawyer. For Christ's sake. He's the Minister of Attorney General and Justice.
Before so no be background na Sophia Kufu.
Sophia Kufu ba.
Yeah.
They are all questions the same.
Yeah.
Somebody should tell Godfrey Dami that he's a lawyer. And Nanado is a human rights lawyer.
Yes.
They should stop doing that. If you are corrupt, you are corrupt. Nothing can change it. So we are not what they are no brewa. Now one kasa client no. What to was ya respond? And no auditor general say. Said the beya ebeka sa waye fenti. Who between 3 to 5 weeks
to respond
to boase. Na one kasa hwem.
Na hunu say ni auditor general no be ye no. Bibi wo mu a wanka o de ahyem. Bibi wo mu a o de ahyem a
wonim ho hwe. We anyamia. We ayamia. We anyamia. We ayamia. We no a all the written observations that could not be cleared by the clients are converted into what auditors call management letter. It's in Niamana who went to me and went to me and clear no. Auditor General no. Or sound so true biom and your friend management letter. Near Sandy Abesha won some.
I see.
This auditor here. This is the process. Well, what are they trying to do? Why? Tis a Ghana you'll be my pan and the business say ya. I've heard you tell say you the client you are given a copy of the management letter which contains uncleared issues transferred from the written audit observations. And again, you still have 30 days, 1 month.
After say Yama letter no.
Weekend in Kaho, Saturday and Sunday in Kaho. Yama 30 working days.
Wow.
Bosome Bako. So we just for J.
Na fashim.
Na fashim. Nina muye. Either to agree or disagree.
Yeah.
No. If the client at the management letter stage fails to clear themselves, the issues are transferred to what is called the Auditor General's note. Yenyendu report. Yenyendu report.
Okay.
Eti in samna yasa chokra yasa ma 30 days.
Yeah.
Se fe yi ano na tasentase achew. When to be yi ano no. No more transfer and no from the management letter stage no. No more the copy be a friend Auditor General's notes. No more ye no ato. Afe wo wie no a.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi. Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
I shall protect the public
Jamie.
purse.
Yes, sir.
I shall protect the public purse.
He etoda ya na ye ba san kam yan kam ye mampani.
Sir.
Anka nipa bi wo a eni kwan so hu awia biom. Ye woni pa bi asase so a se wa wia ban sike eni kwan so hu awia biom. Wonim we nyina achi no ye wia na ya ka cho say ye sabra draft report. Na ya the draft asa be show nsem. It will be to me akukudro catch and confess and say report we am da be ya say e Auditor General's report say a draft.
Draft reports. Well, so I Akoma 87.9. Now, baby, I started free here, baby, I did baby dream. You baby zoom into the Auditor General reports. COVID-19 no proper. Now, you share all those discrepancies at home. The detailed reports are about any infractions are falling within ministries are they are unable to clear themselves. In fact, so it is clear, sir, before said the Auditor General this report ibebano or more go through stages. Stages.
Affect you after a thorough review of all the AG's notes, management letters, and drafts across the various stages of the audit. The notes are converted into published Auditor General's report.
Okay.
And transmitted to Parliament and all relevant stakeholders, including the media houses. This is done again after another 30 days.
After another 30 days.
30 days. 80.
So 30 working days.
A by lawyer penny person catch them say ministers na egu ho no. Any institutions like the COVID-19 sikane share omon sa no. No man go through this process ana. Is that what Godfrey Dam is telling us? Enti adentra abono he. When him saw Auditor General's report one. I am the first journalist broadcaster in this country ya. Me fa book me sha say page 1 na me wie time na me wadom.
Yeah.
When him say me nyan sha say.
My solemn plea.
Me sha say be March be April ho kono.
Auditor General report.
Me nyan sha say o obi an me de enkran from Auditor General. Auditor General's report bia no me wo copy from day 1.
Yeah.
Be see na so ya we.
Yeah, sure.
Me nyan kom. When him the entire go for the Damian Abere no.
Catch it.
Some catch it.
Yeah.
Revi.
Oh, Revi.
Okay, can I hear so okay.
So Osro.
Osro. The tier say. And someone Auditor General and the ababonte no ya by lawyer penny. It's a sort of can for attack court. Or better not the beko.
To be fan and call.
A sort of quite menu call. Or better not the beko. A sort of national security minister call. Or better not the beko.
It's all the chieftaincy minister call.
A sort of chieftaincy call. A better not the beko. It's your shark as if one were binding in a muna. And some now better abonteno a yabotia. Tis or casa wajiatum. It's young fan court to pa. ɛne yɛ bomb edi kan bomb ɛtɔ so mmienu ne sɛ saa report we ama na Maadwo aban we MPP we wɔn lose 2024 elections wo pa yɛn to nkyia
saa report we ama
we report we nkoa ama MPP aban bɛkɔ opposition MPP bɛkɔ opposition 2024 this report alone
I see
mpanin sɛ yɛmfa yɛafɔ yadeɛ nsere no na wo de ayɛafɔ sika na adi
so de yɛ adwuma
sedeɛ kora yɛmfa nsere no
o de yɛ adwuma
na mamudi
o de yɛ adwuma
jebi
o de yɛ adwuma
yarefoɔ de yadeɛ yɛmfa nsere sɛ wɔ apakye na mmom yɛafɔ no sika no ɛmom na wodi jebi
yes sir
aban bia ma asase so wɔ mam ha akrɔmfoɔ wɔ mu kyɛ aban wei asɛm wɔ mi ngyae ka da
what's it
aban bia mba Ghana ha akrɔmfoɔ wɔ mu kyɛ saa aban wei da
69 ne 72 so na akrɔmfoɔ wo
let me say they wɔ mu nyinaa akrɔmfoɔ wɔ mu ba aban bia ni Ghana ha ba akrɔmfoɔ wɔ mu kyɛ saa aban wei Debbie 2018 Auditor General's report about no more blow 45 billion. Yes, Ayira. Anamwa.
Yeah, true.
Okay. You drew 2020. Na fe you drew na do na kasa membu no so proper. You ba so wom 89 billion. But you na woni kro yim. Na sha say 12 billion. Wom. Auditor General say wa shankra no musa asa konya kra ko beti figure no so otiante
we da pa ko sin do better say abebo shiti
12.9 billion sikana wa in 1 year 4 ministries blow.
Even at the time na Ghana share IMF as they were able to manage and still
2021 boom 89 billion 2022 Auditor General's report by boom 120.4 billion. Sikana wa hen
yedi ahe
enti won wa fa sika no ti ba kokora ntiase enti obi ewu ana
there be say afi na say Auditor General reports number afi na say Public Accounts Committee kokotnase no mo ye hwehwem de ko parliament na ye de come Attorney General na Attorney General so anya abotra hwemu yi ansa na botumi de akokɔ
debio
ana
debi jebi there's something fundamentally wrong with us as people. I am not sure I would want to blame the president.
No, we should blame him.
No, I would, but you know what? Yeah, to abano. Yenim nyansa.
Oh, how?
Yes. Nyansa for.
Oh, Debbie.
If you go to any country and you see corrupt leaders, the voters are more corrupt than the corrupt leaders.
How?
Yes. When you're confirmed to Abama Cronford.
No, you're trouble because you're fundamental human.
But Sana candidates, baby. Why did you choose the thief?
Well, probably they had better policies.
What's the policy?
Nana Dubai is baby okay. And me when you watching.
NDC
free SHS.
There be NDC. Tama Rollins Yankasa Rollins Abaya Cronford.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Ni na twa na
Check. What train. And yes, to Abaman be second term.
Aye.
Time na yes so Cronford na yes repeating the mandate.
Oh no, said I Cronford.
Na yaka.
But no anya Cronford.
Oh, there be yaka. So ye pia na so anya pi no. That time na kase mu mba because that
time no kokobo open asum because no feel say I mean
even J Kufuor by first time Yankasa omo ya Cronford. Emra J Kufuor by so omo ka kire say Rollins mamembo no trillion 21 trillion. Okay. J Kufuor fi abem no party be na samba abem.
NDC.
Yes, Uncle for yes, no more Yakron no. I don't Ghana photo Abama.
But there was a different candidate.
Debbie. Oh, that's what I can.
So there was a different candidate.
Yeah, who can broach about this, sir? I don't come back on what's the sound. What's the cell phone house now? Engine that na.
Mum dear.
Mum dear. Cell phone will hold on the house and what's the sound? A engine that na. Professor Mills the time no. A Rollins the time, a Nipo farm ministers no.
Yeah.
Melse buy and dodo say necessary.
Oh, I should ask the brisa.
Mahama buy and dodo say necessary. So I am recycling of the thieves.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay. Probably they did not have the men.
Yeah, no. Said a Ghana for. I say NDC are corrupt.
Yeah.
Now NDC first work as MPP are corrupt. And so 2016 you kwatu abani to ma hwan.
Yeah, two men NPP.
And I say yes so amoye dey.
Amoye corrupt.
And now then why na your alternative no?
NDC.
Nti afi woni me ya adwen say wokọ man bia mu na hu said there are corrupt leaders are. Nkofo na to abani ye 3 times corrupt than nipa na ya to abama no no. And then at time ya so pa kwesi ndo man hwe.
Pa hwan.
Mem kan sa. Sada CPP a good day. Professor Igan any one mu na o ma ba bi ko anamwa.
Yes.
Adan ya sesa wo mu.
Probably they don't have a better
No,
policy.
it is because the people are corrupt. Say Ghana force wo nya corrupt. Me say 2024 is a done deal.
Done do say.
There be a see.
Say ya to aba na wie.
I don't want to talk about 2024.
Oh, okay.
I don't want to talk about it. But say Ghana for ye na me can say say nya corrupt. 2028. GS Sanko for you.
Okay.
Scientists ye be bra chembre ya ye wo mu. Nti eba de say na a whole attorney general. We say auditor general's report na aba no JD. Papa ne say dey.
You pulling it down.
Or say
you don't publish it.
Hey, Jesus Christ. Na ye wo Ghana Bar Association penny for Okuma. Na nanoma hemfo. Emu akase na nketwa e Okuma.
Ye wa sofo.
Ye wa sofo, ye wo imams, mpenifo. Ye wo CSOs, opinion leaders, yeah. CSOs.
Yeah.
And everybody is damn quiet. Everybody is damn quiet. Ena obi to ne pako. To ne pako sa se oye attorney general. Enti no report na attorney general de apano. Ye unpublished.
Akoma
Ghana
87.9 Kumasi.
Then pa na what? Sa report ni mu a. Enti je chinchina tachia. JB.
Yes sir.
Yem pulling it down.
Say na bi wo mu a auditor general na nya abotra anye.
Bi te say
te say na ye de tu koku agima manu.
Sika na wan fanka ho no.
Wanya abotra anye hwehwemu wa famre no kra ma na nkle nema bi ase process no wa sheda fa process na anya adwuma. Enti nema bi sheda anya straight wo mu te so oyi free mu na omba no mo etna so no.
Anope na ya mo kase me amadamfo. I refuse that he will remain my friend.
What's that? Where?
Hey? Ghana Central for I said, and run and I make one sem no. I said, you may need that. No mind the Dutch and a fine yenzo. I say, I'm not careful. Yeah. You be bought on me. Auditor General, pull it down. That.
No, there's no pulling it down. I mean, we
all
have it.
I have a descent my Fiat go and yat a kai. We catch them one last week, Tuesday or some Monday, no, a day. Sir, Auditor General's report, there are attempts to pull it down. And say, if you have to go now, can say me the Akoma and so on, jinsi me. Let's say pulling it down. But who say me will back up?
Why say that the lumba be or hakaset no? Ota autonomy no me esa. Bakuntia now the bakunaship.
That's right.
Interesting.
It's I knew say I didn't buy na nyani na kura na Auditor General ne kabo mu no a bomb. hwɛ report na ɛda hɔ no a yɛkenkan no me baabi a ɛyɛ maboteɛ paa ɛyɛ nneɛma mmiɛnsa pɛ
Okay.
ɛna wɔ mu ɛdan na ɔmo kɔ hanyɛ no
ɛdan no ɔmo ha mmienu emu deɛ ɛhɛ na okay. Adaklo deɛ no okay.
ɛna afei wokɔ kra duro aba wafa ɔman sika $120 million
Yeah.
sɛ wode kɔ kra duro wobayɛ aduro na ade baeɛ na wode $120 million ato so no wankasa wode receipt kɔma wode tagye na yɛ $38 million nti $81 million na aka no wayi
Ahe.
wo sɛ ayɛ dɛn
Ahe.
nti ɛsɛ sɛ yɛhyɛ ase kunkum nipa no nipa bi te saa no ɛni kwan sɛ wɔtena ase didi nipa bi te saa no ɛni kwan sɛ yɛhwɛ nyame yini ne twabere no duro a afei wahu twabere no a na meka ho asɛm no ana meba no meme ne wobɔ nkɔmmɔ a na mehyɛ ase a fa to tirim yɛma ne mbɔ mu yini ne twabere no duro a
ɛnɛ sɛ ɛba mu asɛm
enti
Akoma FM 87.9.
wafa $120 million ɛyɛ ghanafoɔ yɛ sika sɛ wode kɔkra
nduro
covid-19 vaccine abrɛ yɛn nduro na wakɔkra na wabɛyɛ dede fam fofoɔ yɛakyekyere ho yɛde bi wɔ president yɛakyekyere ho yɛde bi wɔ ayi rebecca akufado yɛakyekyere ho gama nkyɛkɔɔyɛ mahene bi a ɔwɔ bibia yɛkyekyere ne deɛ ho mpanimfoɔ ministers deɛ nyinaa yɛakyekyere ho saa nduro na wokɔ sesa wo receipt baeɛ a 38 million $81 million na aka no wɔ he a ahe What's up, man? Else? Jerry, where and NDC MPP are some yako, yaka Ghana. Jerry,
Yes sir.
I see $81 million, no?
Ahe.
Hey, Ghana.
Obende. Ahe. Obende.
Where ya? Sir, a drone na yedi free. Yedi $38 million akra no.
Yeah.
From Kotoka International Airport na aeroplane de buy no. Yes, ye distributed no. Yedi 24 million Ghana cedis na distribute here. What's it on? I feel yamasho.
Ye distribute keke no.
Yedi drone kwa ha.
Yedi bi ko Tamale. Yedi ko Western region.
Yedi 24 million Ghana cedis. 240 billion.
And what did general report?
Oh, now when you are doing kind say. To boss na kind. It's not machine any apa no. Dr. Mamadou Baumbi on one chrome. Woman so mo ya project e woni chrome. Man the chrome ho for no. Say COVID ne bi chi obi a. Watimi akọ akosa no ho ya de. David, do you know how much? 15 million Ghana cedis. Contractor na 4 million. Besi ne auditor general say contractor no mu nim no. Omo hwe na omo hu no. Contractor na 4 million. Contractor kuno no.
Yeah, hwe na you.
Wale Dr. Mamadou Baumia ni krom. Efri ne ma me fie ho ekọ ho 300 meters.
Just a walking distance. Obey trotting akọ.
Ye hu contractor no e auditor general.
But what 4 million or the
kokoko. Nyame na me tro report to you. Auditor general na tro ye. Or the call. When I go for the say you're putting it down now.
Comes before summer translate. Your Facebook could network na rough kakra. Na obi mama signal say I buy the control your Facebook.
Jerry.
Oh gosh. I can't just about 35 minutes near upon. Was a person about Minyaya na kaya for 35 minutes na can find your kidjit adiano.
Kate enya na chine. Che Friday. Ye fa no wie.
Okay.
What
Ochina Yaniki beba. Yaniki program no.
Oh. Started time.
I think I started okay.
So no started by 9,
10, okay.
And she started 7.
Okay.
You put 10 I know assume.
Ah.
Check about 3 hours.
Okay.
but your time COVID by an impruka by one be baby no than impruka call. It is kind of the same impruka anymore why impruka ko ka hwan.
Send the near the year fumigation na se for send be ya.
Away.
I was schools.
Today fumigate because of and that's school fumigation asem na make isolation centers impruka alcohol.
Oh, say bia obi free ama no ne ba.
Oba no di
impruka. Bia odi bi ba.
Ye de nyame ase.
Say COVID no na free Ghana ha.
Tena ho keka nkwa asem.
Obi na di free ba bi ba.
Wo de tena ho na keka nkwa asem.
Ana me yare.
Epese Noguchi.
Yeah.
40 me ye. Cause the crat abekwa Akoma won. Noguchi. Aban so mo $13 million.
Some of them the research am I.
Say enfanya medical research.
Aye.
Sikani na koy. Auditor General ko Noguchi ko hwe mo nkatema 5 million ene koy.
Na sika na wan?
Ahe. Sa wana ya aka.
Hey.
There ya wo mu ni say. Auditor General so say osan ko Noguchi a. Equipment, medical equipment worth $5 million. Egu ho ye nyusu.
Apro.
Entity bro 4 troye. Tin you. Paragraph 44.
Okay.
As I said by now, Nipo dan Noguchi anu ka by now post for dam pare ya kwache na dada. And so say post for we will be 10 cities. Men ka say 10 cities no we ani ye wo. Na Noguchi mpanifo etete to man condition office. Tie our examination of the underlying records indicated that funds were used for the intended purpose.
The intended purpose.
And the omodi.
However,
we however noted
that okay.
That as of June 2022, $5,600,722. $5 million plus dollars worth of medical supplies sent to Noguchi Memorial Institute remained unused. What don't say Guti? What don't say Guti? Yanti Krom Hana Aban Kache November. Say antigen test no kit no.
Yeah.
Asa.
I been here, yes.
Send a total of over $1 million. Egu Noguchi.
Over $5 million or $1 million?
Says can I do to breaking it down.
Okay.
Antigen test kits then valued at $3 million. $3,643,500. Egu ho. Bia mfa ni sankai. And a buy si asa. To yanko krafo from ra. Ade. Aban se quarantine now quarantine krofo no. Jebi utie. Me pese tie 40 ase ye say. This report enye presenter bi na atena baby. And all can be o. A reporter, Auditor General. Again, a Benjamin to me, na prepare report ye. But what tell me? Very good. Cost of quarantine and fumigation. What him say here? 152 million Ghana cedis.
Quarantine and fumigation. We reviewed the payment records relating to evacuation, repatriation exercises from United Arab Emirates, Dubai, China, Kuwait, Benin, Nigeria, United Kingdom, Senegal, Netherlands, Lebanon, Jeddah, Iran, Qatar, etc. We have provided further details in this report. What kind we know what Auditor General say? Sasi can almost you see any part do now on the buy no. Records a free Ministry of Foreign Affairs buy no. You bloated more than 7 times. Oh.
Akoma FM.
Mentu aso ana minya.
87.9 Kumasi.
Mentu aso.
Oh, okay, uncle.
Document we. Enya me na me ye o. Enya fia na prepare ye. Nya ya tete da prepare ye.
Yeah.
Enya wo JB na wo prepare ye.
Minim ho hwe.
Enya me smart na prepare ye. Auditor General's report.
Yes.
Ma men ko manim na men kye wade foforo. Woni ma de friend gift miss.
Yes.
Okay. Now, give me a Ghana Integrated Financial Management Information System. Brofo kakraka.
And also can home.
Ghana Integrated Financial Management Information System. Then, yes, say, wo JB, yenim sa kianeke. Abante obet me akoto niam aba. They heard the way or pet dressing na. Akwano. Eniam na okofa ba. One shot, yes, how yet Pierre carry no. Obet was that for Cotico be the document be as I got 2 more. It's a young test system. Nayan fan check it 1 double payment, overpricing, over invoicing, any idea. Auditor General say, we observe that in 2020 alone, 102 payment vouchers were used in disbursing 231 million Ghana cedis to service providers for the provision of hotel accommodation.
Thank you, Lord Jesus.
Similarly, in 2021, 92 payment vouchers were issued to pay 311 million Ghana cedis.
Eh?
What's it? A big wetcher. 311 million 907,753 Ghana cedis. What cut to ni na bomwa? A 543 million 58,709 Ghana cedis. 5.4 trillion
Ghana cedis.
Yeah. Because see, I said the value is the same.
Yeah.
You say yeah, hotel payments, hotel accommodation. Me breaking it down. Let's say if I nipa mako 1,000 every day, and a room will be a die, you know. Every day be an you 5,000 Ghana cedis. And nipa 1,000 no, or patch say what that would sa 5,000 days.
5,000 days. Abba.
Now what day?
Abba.
What day
That
500?
day on 365 days. With the whole year.
And I was spending 543,000.
Maybe. 5,000 days. Equivalent to how many years?
David was it? Radio Sunday, I know people think say
There about 30 years. A day.
what's it?
5,000 days. 5,000 days. Divided by 365.
JB,
13 years.
did I prepare?
Now COVID year where by that bay.
Did I prepare this document?
That bay.
Did I prepare this document?
Omo here when to do. Abba, come why.
Divide the
Oh, ha need to.
543 million 58,709 divided by 365. Unya say
Manye fast. Body mama. Manye fast.
aburo so. Aburo de kind so. Aburo so. Jevi, this is how much Kwabrane say. And for hotel accommodation. Jevi.
Akofo. Itawachi. Dada. From head.
And I don't na obi di matem station bi so won kan na ni abre.
So ni mad.
Akwane ye me sa say Captain Smart the company ka ho or the company na ba ayi Auditor General's report him.
Oh really?
Mpacho Smart Infraco Limited enya media Smart Info na enya media.
Oh.
Pagana facho Sa company na withholding tax payment went over 1 million Ghana cedis no.
Enya odia.
Enya me dia. Patro smart infraco. Enya me dia. Smart info.
Enya odia.
Na me dia. Eno ka BGS group of companies ne ho. Ena me dia.
Ebi auditor general na spell was spelling ye.
O spelling ne pepepe. INFRACO. Smart. To mu smart info na kai na kwante so. Akwane ye me sa. Ba ono de memfi no na me pese ni na mmom nyini. When him say Ministry of Information. Me pese meka. I asema meka chokojo ponkroma no. So be friend no catch na on that 3 days.
The staff for no mututu mo ho kanana.
Me pese me break it sad ne down. Na what ase. Sa sika na omo say omo di tua omo ho ka no. Enye ade bia enwonwon. Ni nyina ne se ya je bi me no ti radio yi so yi.
Yeah.
Na wote computer we yachi no. Yes say. Wo wote computer chi a risk.
Drawing the COVID time na a risk.
Drawing the COVID time na.
A risk.
Wote
But COVID ni twa mu de anya risk.
wote achire no.
A risk.
O hwe piece ne so. Ti me iPad isi manim ha.
Oh hwe so.
Me hwe so yi no.
A risk.
A risk ema me. Enti nipa miensa. Bosume back mo che 100,000, 180,000 Ghana cedis as risk. When him say nipa na bosu market ya. Oji 2,000 Ghana cedis. Okay, Tobo. Fa calculator no.
Me me yan intem. Na we dey more for me so.
Fa calculator.
Mafa so say
Mami bie. Say na me bie na be bie dia amfa. Me bie mbie. Na boa me. Jebi.
Captain.
Mami hwe we dey na me de nsafa ho na bie mo we bie.
Okay.
I mean fa calculator.
Mafa.
Now bought 180,000
180,000
divided by 3.
divided by 3. 60,000 each.
Ghana ha. President to Kurane risk allowance we do 60,000, 600 million.
Me calculate na here.
Say 18 divided by 3. Now so go school now man say yes ah.
There be yeah, because everyone one.
What say you one? Try na me be ma bomb we twa to na fe meja na wa fa afre for. Enya me one say or say
Ghana Maadwo.
Pacho. JB, mami ko penso numra.
Ghana Maadwo. So my making messages kakra e wo ha do musi na mesa so ento aso me wi a mesa so aba captain ho ma sa na ya bi lines no. Na mo amwo mo de messages e ba wo Facebook menya dache. Ana você me yari ana. Who am I today? Me kwada me take us away ase.
Akoma FM 87.9.
In the meantime, very special belated happy birthday to Francisca Osei Tutu. Oh yes, a one whole week your friends a birthday wish. Belated happy birthday to you. On Monday was your birthday. Yesterday, the Pojacopo say Uncle Samuel in chair. Nadia no, still that that's what Jimmy Saho. Ediane no. Oh, goodness. Anyway, so messages on Facebook. Easy. Okay, so Obi Charlie I'm enjoying your program live. So Captain, good job. Sasso and Tony Breezy so say these government they have syndicated a set of criminals. Hassan bin Abdullah. Nobody should take any penny because Luther King Jr. This is why I listen and watch Captain Smart every morning. Abdullah Siedu, this Nanado's government is the most corrupt government in the world. And the same Luther King will say, afraid na Martin Nanado assessor or say opentem. And tem no open just about the Bogana chrono area na uria or copy the baby atna. Kid Astro, Captain Wire dear, Koswa educate here. Superior Steve or say more fire Captain. Churchill, as we say, Ujai fire. Kofi Gaduso. And the secretary they say, okay, so what a country. You go for loan from IMF and we squander them. What a shame. Big thieves in our country. Sasso and Adams, I'll say, I say, oh, Nimani. Jacqueline, I say, Ghana pa near leaders there. Not. Jacqueline, I will bet you. Esther Champon, all the way from Germany. Good evening, Esther Champon. Sasso and Miami Brapeni, Columbus, Ohio. Said we miss the Bia, me booty, or Nana Kamiaka no you. You. Okay, so my very big brother, Eric Kwejo Owusu, Columbus, Ohio. Na a special greetings to you, brother. Oye Juma, Peskin Logistics Task Office, Columbus, Ohio. Best regards to you, my brother. Nyakopo Koswe Shrao. Na ejebi amefa some few course kakra. That's what I know. My main for 3P garlic mixture ever amount. Oye Berman I say would see me. Na say opeso we boost to immune system. And now say oh mujamru so menstrual pace tata and I say how Mr. Wa bomodi aso benya 3P garlic mixture ni bi na wanu na bibia so to me akoye e the amount stroke any asthma how ne hia ne so benya 3P garlic mixture obi a ne yema tim na ontumi any nom 3P garlic mixture why one be
Opeso me feel
I can't just I
don't know.
3P garlic mixture for number in
0248
0248-928824 0248-928824 and 0201 0000 021 0201 000021 and no 3P garlic mixture Miss Row 100% garlic extracts and a natural plant juice and the idea said draw away. It's a preservative beer nim foreign product beer nim a full of vitamin C and a so and the idea. Mr. Wakopebinum never wow.
Jemmy.
Yes, sir.
Say no makasa ye presentations are home. Say ma it's here for na DH.
Sure.
No BIB.
Yes.
Kojo Ponkruma say no ye journalist.
Oh yeah.
No a broadcast journalist.
Yes.
Me koton wo multimedia.
Morning show.
Na me ya do morning show no ye joy morning show.
Oh okay.
Say me tiema no pa na wie na utim say ma for the general report na ma be ma wie no wasi fom. Me nua wo tie adwuma.
Metawachi.
Hey captain. Sometimes I wish say me wa kukuduro na wo ni bi. Share me nsem.
Oh really? He will tell you that.
Eto da kura na ye di wacha no pa bia ofom Kojo Ponkruma eto da otua. Because when you say Jabi Beso, now till radio switch ministers no. Kojo Ponkruma wie ye ni. Na wie ye ni. Say ministry obi a waye central leader.
87.9 Kumasi.
Na watimi ahwe nyame anim wo wadi ministers atem. Hwa wo ma te say dem ano yaya yi.
Ne Akoma minister.
Na ya ma minister.
Obada Bridjo.
Na say obi a na ketua 2000 otimi nya risk allowance 60,000
ya ji 2000 bosome ni ama na allowance 60,000 Ghana cedis adai members, Muntio. Happy party members.
Yeah, Tiawe. What was our insurance package no more? No.
Oh,
Debbie, I'm breaking it down.
Time credit for Mr. Time no Mr. Pa.
But me hospital be wasem. So also mean jai and noa. Sa papa no. You won't cry no. Me can say me chere no. So on you ready, mommy. Be free kumasi kodum cry. Sa doctor no me ni me no yen kon cry.
Are
you say COVID-19 yare any buy your medical equipment apart from the corner Gucci on the only come on musika se omkoto. Na the aban cry in a hospital ba ko pem ye didi na akugu ye.
So onye don distribute na
so far. E ho na nko. Afeti we me pesa me kan brofo ni nyina.
O wi anu ma be lines.
Paragraph 121, 122, 123, 124, 125. We noted that the Ministry of Health entered a contract signed on 15th December 2021 for the supply of 26 Toyota Hayes deluxe ambulances valued at $4,049,460 out of which 607,000 was paid via PV number IPF 22-007 of 2nd September 2022 to be delivered by 15 January 2022. However, the ambulance remained undelivered as of 28 November 2022.
About 26 ambulances.
The chief director explained that the supplier applied for extension to meet some technical specifications. Paragraph 123. Under the current economic difficulties, the supplier could apply for price variation to unduly increase the cost of the contract, which could have been avoided if the ambulances had been supplied as scheduled.
Oh.
It's in reality that ambulance nankasa na buono ye 607.
Yeah.
Yes, say yen Ghana ha ye ho ache yen. Obiti abrochire. So per $607,000. Ya kotu ama no. Na yen ya trip phone afre nipa no say aha no ye ho ache yen. Enti mo mra na yen variation. Afi what you say?
Yeah.
And I want to say.
Bitiase.
Okay.
Bitiase.
Ya kotu abro afrefia ho. Ha?
Yeah.
Ye tu afiaka.
Ye diskada manawi.
Ye diskada manawi. Ono what one ya ya fa phone a friend say bra ne krom ha ho kyera ba. Enti e bia ahwe ana it is 607,000 no. O man musu boom 4 million. O man musu no. $4 million. Kofi. Eti sa report ina. Godfred Damesi yenye ne dey.
You don't publish it. You're pulling it
down.
Na engu aban anima ase.
Me train the Ghana Medical Association beka. Me train the National House of Chiefs for beka. One was me catch us me board doctor bidin.
Yes.
Friend Dr. C.K. Amenuveve.
Dr. C.K. Amenuveve.
Or Medina. Ononi hospital na hon kan isolation center ho. And so equipment are buying cry nyina no. Eho.
Na enye warehouse there.
Debbie. We noted that the medical equipment were issued to a private hospital by name Christ Leeds. So hospital in Gradi. Yesu dikai. Yesu odikai. Some in my cat me. Me won. And sorry be or why. And sorry that no door so Ghana see a bubigu.
Oh yes, and I agree.
And sorry doors
more than 200%.
And ye kwa sorry dodo.
Akoma FM.
Ye bra ina ya sorry bebrebe nyansa bi anim Yesu bo. Ufa bonkuma Yesu bo. Yesu 2080 on ma. It's a lie.
My classes na my teacher be catching them. Me say me di na chia
JB 2024 ye beto aba Yesu on ma. 2036.
See, obviously this or you're very sure said the Auditor General report has been doctored. Do you agree?
Doctored by who?
Obi na akwakofa no church onyema die.
Debbie.
And your original nini.
Debbie original nani?
I say a doctor.
Oh, and if I camera so way. Don't find to way. Any.
Anyway.
Debbie.
General.
Yesu bo. Yesu maybe a we. Tie. Eye wu na obewu. Se si ya metire. Se yesi metisi anim ho na Captain Smart twahwe na mawu a. Yesu maye no atome. Bible say twa se nipa ni wu na me wu akire no atemwo na wo ho ma me.
Ma me cast December ko bi fanchiro na yemi lines no.
Aba.
A message from Trinidad and Tobago by no say sexy man na me bo what they call Jesus. So me feel am ya eyewa.
Eti say yetna on mem wo ho JB. Finally na be a phone line.
Yes.
Na yesesa on man sika gura topre. Say ya. Aya na isolation center equipment na buying say ministries this say.
But I don't know the same person mo catch say ye ni niema wo ho.
I ode $100 million. Akra niema begu isolation center.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Say na yasan so kokra isolation centers. Ye equipped isolation centers aban na kura ni say ni refi.
One kai
29 million Ghana cedis.
nipa no odwen nsi so de. Obesile no akai.
When you know chino me am ya o.
Enya hwe.
Say Dr. Kwekwaji Mamenu. Essay. Time all yes san yamani nyina no na odwen insiso. And you see, look at the joy. And now or they come before the committee. Or catch we are singing and say at that material moment, Mr. Chair, I was not thinking right. And he's still a minister.
Oh yeah.
By now, it's a Senko isolation center.
Near here na dream. So if all
Well, now your man of cartoons. Na Kwekwaji Mamenu started so share cartoons.
Papa now hwe nko for your friend.
Yendru ho na ya fastika. Oh, quite deputy minister na ko jere nim to see. Ka du ho no amana na so. Busha! Hey, busha! Na Kwekwaji Mamenu adre na hye yi.
87.9 Kumasi.
General time as me license.
Chale.
0322
It is not funny.
9035. 0322 9036.
It's not funny.
0322 9037. 0243114497. My main careful faith homeopathic clinic FMA. Uyo bia weni how when you stroke, when you STIs and nasifo ina misrewa. But what is all the called faith homeopathic clinic na kokwaji wa yaresa. Hono mo ye bibia bi wo hono mo. Wa when you pressure any wa diabetes how. Wa ubada bridge 2 minutes 30 seconds. Now the foam team stomach ulcer any asthma ina misro omo ahima kokobe. But more than na yefa fidie hwehwe ohwidie na ye making sure say ye nyifi any how you na every ohwidie man sana what me enya wayaresa oho be den oho beto na wo so what me afa ho because say unya enwu ya eji so ho nipadua bia ewu nti mesre wa 34 ewo 0244 583 859 0244 583 859 and 0275 969 414 0275 969 414. Hello, Maadwo.
Yeah, Javinia.
We have a fine.
Nyadum.
Yebi.
Maadwo. Captain Akoma nso. Yebi mpasa mbusa se entidia moka nyina mpanifo nya na omote.
Omo na de ba ye ne ye chechu.
The mpanifo te sa se me se pa no omutimi nyamu bi me yebi na se omo Ghana de yakachi. Mediani ogusum kasa frato nso SLI.
Me da se. Okay, 0322498035, 0322498036, 0322498037. Hello, Maadwo.
Hello, Benny.
Mbacho when you?
About some Mediani and Nanya Kwabrono, Alex Nakasi.
Alex, I'm into you.
Captain, about so, I'm mixing Uncle Poya, my son of our Robert Challenge to Adaroma, I am a coin. Now, maybe the woman said, "Nonsense and panel." Abasia, That's a been played as someone among 50 cities, 100 cities. Among the airtime. But one, the cook up, none of the up to the pictures possibly. There, about that, maybe before you know, in the as you have to be near Korea on Kaidi and Yansabo, may I like Nameka. Maybe someone not that, the Benin, done an easy clue, and this
Alex, what's that?
May say,
Bibini and Polia,
the Benin one Polia one kind answer. The Benin,
eh, fetch Chasso. By joy.
Yeah,
when
the Pato Balisa Kumika free pitch number 1.
by me too.
Captain Smart, Yamin Shirano. Yamin Tunum. Also, somehow walk and in yeah, culture or minority in parliament. So, move one as a Mukaji, Skana Mukaji, number 2 Munaka. Sika Muke in Nano, Mubo, about Busas, Busiana, Mukawano. Omupaji COVID duro ba ya no mu chema o mo ho na mo so mo awo duro ye na ya nye bi mu for say yan san ko wata afani no na sas ka we mu agi sas ko e kuku dam we ye odi report no ba nyamin shira no nyamin ka no ho na ko fa mu de
That's it. Hello, Maadwo.
Hello, JB.
Yes, sir.
Pastor Jamal ni kasafiri wa mata pagre.
Jamaa ba mintiu.
Enti na pania na eba ya na mekato me wono. Iki ase na mini because mekato wo ma ikana ba wo ma mo chedi no. En chapania na ma wo mo. The will be 1,000 here will be 500 600 da. O ma jwe na bebo. Enti o ma ya ko mo chene pani. Samu ye mo di wo ya ye mo wi maka kire akokura wadi 2 years. 20 years 7 years so no sika kakra na down na odi to eduru no. On fa emwo o ma no. Pensine me ko bi bia se mo mo njin to mu da. Enti obi bebi omanpina kwa bia ni ho the 4 years ne so bi bia ni ho betina ya bia o man ne betina ka se wanya nko ana wontu bi bia ni ho e betina ye we dia no wade no ebi oni ya menye adwuma
E wo betene. Hello, Maadwo.
Hello, but good evening.
Yes, sir. Bibia bokode.
Na me ado na ho so e.
Nyame ado ye fra so kasafri.
But me Daniel me kasafiri atia ma.
Daniel ma mintiu.
Bajo you ready? NTT, yes, NTT NDC. Obi aba san no be ye.
Ye ka Ghana se mo wenye ndisi ne MPP asemo.
Ai, daga Ghana na me kan. Ghana, we are san no be ye. San no be ye. NDC ba no they say NDC ba so minino no so very o mai we. Nti ya na see you too. I say sorry because
Hello, Maadwo.
Pato Manjimu Super.
Pato when you.
Pato don't you Yamana the free man so no man sumo janso.
Maadwo ma mintiu.
Pato enti Uba Kaya 2022 March me can say mpani ko na omo abai MPP aban no se omo fi ye na se ma mu ka ko ta santika ka tika omo ta na obeti for MPP for omo message point omo in message obo ko ko ba omo ka ti me station be mi asa e ni ti mi ti ka ti yi station dia ka Akoma the team next so last March 2022 me here station dia come home no how said no then ko na omo ba be asaka no be esa e jani so ya shedi ya omo NPP for na ba sa cho mu hundo ko abadana because the father mega cho because na do anyi na je o father ma party da gina o be ku party o ku party ni to ko na wapo and then mu na e be ki ya na ya no mama wo di na be ki e di mo da se o mponti na gu Ghana na
Be that say. Hello, Maadwo.
hello
Yes, sir.
Yemi
Yey.
ayo
Mejo Suminia.
Faduni
Ba mintiu.
asema mekan je captain asema wa yiri no Kenya na Ghana constitution na amma enoma we na
Constitution e ka so mo ko wies ka no.
yeah constitution no break amma mu kwan constitution na mo kwan the constitution no yan change constitution masa ya da bra obi abo boboko also mucho ay dan no masi no omo ade kwatoa no masam homatoa eti obira no oguram no api eti the constitution na nya djuma yi a constitution nya dabi odi keke ho asem onti constitution nya awo take me ni break o the captain no mai kata mai ni break change constitution kana constitution
abia ni sa kukudo no be yes ade no hello Maadwo
yeah opening
why new
you know na say na amen Ghana ko fobia fa na so me ka Ghana for asem
because so ne wan na say na amen
many youth ayewo ajoso ne empatem you know na say na amen Senkrofobia for Ghana, that is said, one man, my Japade.
Who deal with Marco?
I don't yen maybe I don't yen me. What I said, it is been prayed as a sort or more and painful and a teacher saw them. Yeah, more air that any dickness is no. So, no more but now, Kunyana Sua said, no move too much. No more give you Ghana, I'm walking you. Yambit
Yeah, come watch it. Head at our old woman. Hello, Maadwo.
Yeah, hello, Mpacho Maadwo.
Bien fine.
Hello.
Yay.
Mpacho Maadwo.
Me also.
Mr. Shanko.
Your friend say.
We did Nyameche.
Mami nti Nyameche.
Asama American. The Kamungu Swaka.
Nyameche, what did you say?
12 years.
What did you say?
12 years.
12 years. We need to be 12 na be unse asem na nyede. Hello Maadwo.
Maadwo.
But you feed go from why?
Me from Patetia.
Me too. Ma feed go from Bajo, ma feed go from.
Hello.
Mo feed go from why Bajo?
Ayo.
Okay, ma me too.
Me see me kia Akoma FM juma fo nyina.
Obi ajo so.
Na min kamo. Na mon ko som kai juma papa mo ye nyina kire. Na penyo fo nde o mo tie pa no mo fa ye juma so. Nte mo ba kare akọ wi ni sai. Be mon ku so ana mon ka. Ye fi tie mo. Na min kamo.
Yeah, that's it. Hello Maadwo.
Yeah, Joko.
Be fine.
Yeah, oh, yeah, come on.
Your friend say.
Kaira na mbuta medimjuma. Mediani Yakubu Dombote.
Miria.
Boss.
Where did he?
Sure.
My laptop nani hapa you.
Oh, I never tell her.
Mami too.
Me that's family and Yakubu Mountain Boss no shame near Jumapa Bomagana Manina. Na me kakra me kan say ebe nyina so no. Me ye wa mi je ne say da bra na yewura Akufo na wo position do e fragara en sama papa kan e pa senka ya je senka nka bibika ahumum na kwantima megana mampani nka obi ba bekate papa we pa sanka papa nko ba boy Ghana pa na wannan edia jamama ya to ba ma na wo ba digana so enne wannan mampani asana sam so what ma be die mampani pa shan sama o kan na patro near 12 14 cities o mo de kwa da mo te 18 cities ampa
Russia Ukraine won India
wofa omo antakwa se mukura no omo di ye o na ye na antakwa si ekuru ma hwe nsi ye so na enne patro ye koto ni 50 cities wofa ne kwa ni ye no patro te te na 50 flat
oto no wa he kana mi koto bi
wow
Ukuta 70 Ghana cedis ananya 1 gallon.
You see, wofa. Cement one bag, ne 27 cedis too. And the cement one bag, echo 85, 83 cedis. Na ababunu, yabedi yenye sika pa aja top plot and see it. As you ban na see it sika so come dey. Uba ababunu, yabeti ma sidan, yabeti ma wari, yabeti ma enne. Yenya kura no, die no, aso sine die yenya. Na yabedi esima ko yanim.
Mami fancy. Hello, Maadwo.
Hello, good evening, everything for what to say.
Yeah, fine. I swear.
Good. Captain, I'm not about na over na can. Well, I don't go back to evangelist. Samia Samuamen Taki, to say no from us.
So I may preach it. Why? Evangelist for the Anam Percasa be prepared.
Captain Pacha Open.
May say, Evangelist for the Anam Percasa be prepared and preach it. Why? You're not
Oh,
possible.
you mean to me, my name said, Niniana Casano. Yeah. I, Anapano, Nami Gary. And not again be done. Nanny, more than once. I am saying, I'm not preaching. I mean, Uganda. Now I'm not done, but we're a president. It's an autonomy telling me about my name. Say, and to my panini, and I won't be saying, no kind of friend who said, and yes, I'm Papa so, and yes, I'm Papa so, you'll be our first school, I'll be university, what be a minister. A home minister of state. Now, all your name is your anthem pata. It's a yana dimwa any yana. And then I mean, Mosoma Kano. It's the some sort of way. You put you are now, Sabi. You said the Mexican was what I'm a captain. You may have me there as in Yaria and what man I'm here, you see there, Gassin. And see, Otuha. Now, said the Casa, what time? Washe truth. So, as you about them, but people don't know. Evangelist, come here, some asking or from us.
Crow from Offering Chrome. Ahaya show.
Me for course view. Yeah, Paul.
Is he?
Oh, Ghana. Okay, so on this note, 7 minutes after 9. Yababa sorry so na the nations fighter the nyom and the programs honomo ede abroad. Captain finally, Mr. 30 seconds per why.
JB 30 seconds sense me.
If me preach Mr. Why? Why? Yam watching there
30 seconds the end say.
Yeah, pokra. Na my main castle say aye. Abrante na Swami youth organizer no. Yes, so on them 5 days. Na okoba na dwumbeda ho. Na quarter nyada aje atena na asem no so no mo ahwehwe na adwen mu no mo hu. Ni nti a kasa ankwa asem no. Captain 30 seconds na yempo why. Na poso yam watch na beto aso.
One say my catch say your isolation center said 29 million SSC mo wi si ho ayen yusu. And what you know afeti hey. In the heat of the COVID-19 pandemic, the Ministry of Health embarked on the construction of isolation and treatment centers to be completed within 6 months. Secured, that's really 158 million Ghana cedis. 1.5 trillion. Okay. We noted, however, that 7 isolation and treatment centers being constructed at a cost of 158 million Ghana cedis had not been completed at the time of the audit. 30 months.
30 months.
After the construction had commenced in April 2020.
That's a 2 years, 6 months.
Meanwhile, I see the 6 months. And you trace away in advance.
In advance.
Tisikaneko, yeah. But how we know pictures for who?
Oh, okay.
Oh,
yeah.
We know pictures. You could try videos fine so go. Some people say soldier phone go. When him say about ya could try.
Oh, Afari, a bit more details pa.
Almost how many soldier phone say more bob by.
And your man will move past at him.
Nah, you ain't me traffic. Yabecha,
ya cherry. Make a date in the job.
Catch up.
Oh, you're trying Monday now.
Can you say Abecha?
And Reggie Monday and you could try. Popa remember videos.
Fresh, Afari, Yakocha.
Videos.
More the bomb was for any Sakumu, then the Yakocha.
Aye.
For me, I said, yeah, carry any abomani.
On this note, Yakacho Biasa and Yakupo Betio Biaka.
Oh, be answer. Oh, what's your mom 30 seconds? One RG film.
Yeah, point why, Mr. Wa.
I'm in Kawan. I'm in share. Yeah. Ghana Swafwa Ebo Chrono Nina.
Obiajo so.
sɛ mesrɛ akɔmfoɔ a ɛwɔ kurom ha asɔfoɔ no nyɛ deɛ mekɛn nti adusifoɔ ne malamfoɔ no a wɔmutumi bɔ dua no wɔn start mbɔ dua nkum minister bi a wɔawi aman sika
nsuo bɛ na wɔde bɛbɔ dua
ɔwo deɛ mɛmɛ deɛ bɛntumi nkyerɛ nsuo kono wɔn bɔ ne tan dua nko a
ɛno so na yɛde tu galamsey so
Nyame yɛ
belated
adom a-
happy birthday to
ɛkyɛ no
Francisca
paa
Osei Tutu
okay that's it
Yakupɔ kɔ so nhyira o
ɛkyɛ
adeɛ no da so gyina me nsa ho saa
okay ɛkyɛ no pa yɛbɛhyia na mmoa
sure yɛbɛhyia yɛsɛ so hyia ɔkyena
anwummerɛ no nso nso
yɛbɛhyia nyame
yɛbɛsan
yɛ
hyia
adom
ɛkyerɛ anwummerɛ ɔ sɛ kɛgye te asɛm baa menka bi da
ɛkyena nyamboa yɛbɛgya da
ɛkyerɛ anwummerɛ mɛka kɛgye te asɛm
okay
nti obi nkyia sampan na ɔnkyia regional minister ma me
okay
na ɔnkyia honorable dambotwe
okay
minister of local government and rural development
yes
na ɔnkyia minister of gender children and social protection ɛma me
okay
why
yo yate
saa nkurɔfoɔ mu nyinaa ɔmo nwene asantefoɔ maa ho
on beti nti yɛdi kan da ase on behalf of the entire team Belucci, thank you very much so dear for Facebook Captain General Yedase for your time this evening and of course accompanied by Her Royal Majesty Her Royal Highness Francisca Osei Tutu. On this note, Nyaminti Obika Bako. Good evening, Ghana Maadwo Sunie.